If you've ever recorded voiceovers for your videos, you already know the problem. You record multiple takes. There's always noise, inconsistency, or something that just doesn't feel right. Now imagine removing that entire process.
Today, the project I've been working on for weeks is finally ready.
The voice you're hearing right now isn't real, but it sounds completely natural. So the real question is, can Noiz AI actually replace your voice? Or is it just another AI demo? Let's test it properly. Right now, I'm inside the Noiz AI dashboard. The interface is clean and simple. Everything is structured clearly, from text-to-speech to voice cloning and voice design. But honestly, interface doesn't matter that much. What matters is the output. So let's start with the most important part, text-to-speech. Here's the exact same text I'm going to use for both tools. Today, the project I've been working on for weeks is finally ready. I'm excited, but I'm still not sure how people will react. First, I generate it using Noiz AI.
Today, the project I've been working on for weeks is finally ready. I'm excited, but I'm still not sure how people will react.
Now I take the same text and generate it using ElevenLabs.
Today, the project I've been working on for weeks is finally ready. I'm excited, but I'm still not sure how people will react.
Now listen carefully. With Noiz, the tone automatically shifts between excitement and hesitation. While in ElevenLabs, you usually need to manually tweak stability and style to get similar results. Even the pauses and rhythm here feel more natural by default. So in terms of workflow, Noiz feels faster and more automatic, while ElevenLabs gives more manual control. Voice design. Now this is where things get more interesting. Instead of selecting a voice, you can actually create one from scratch. For example, I type, "a confident tech narrator," and the system generates a voice based on that description. Now let's compare that with traditional tools. In most tools like ElevenLabs, you choose from predefined voices or adjust parameters. But here, you're generating a voice from an idea. You can even upload an image. For example, I upload a futuristic scene, and now the system tries to match the voice tone to the visual atmosphere. Now let's actually look at the result on screen.
I believe this is the only path forward, despite the risks involved.
You can see how the tone adapts to the environment, making the output feel more connected to the visual. The result feels more unique compared to standard voice presets, voice cloning. Now let's test cloning. I upload a short audio clip. Hi, welcome. Today we're going to test a new AI tool.
Welcome back, friend. It's always a joy to share these heartfelt conversations with you. Let's dive into today's topic.
This clip is only a few seconds long. Now here's the key difference. With Noiz AI, you can generate a similar voice using around 3 seconds of audio. In ElevenLabs, you usually need a longer sample to get stable results. Now I enter a new sentence. If this works well, it could completely replace the voice recording process. The generated output keeps a similar tone and identity. So for building a consistent voice across videos, this can actually save a lot of time. Next, let's move on Voice Library. Now let's talk about something practical. Inside Voice Library, you can store different voice styles. For example, one for tutorials, one for storytelling, one for short content, and reuse them anytime. What's important here is that Noiz AI supports unlimited storage for cloned voices. Compared to ElevenLabs, there don't seem to be strict storage limits here. So for content creators producing regularly, this makes things more scalable. So instead of re-recording your content, you can localize it instantly. This is something that would normally take hours or even require multiple voice actors. When you compare these two side by side, the differences become pretty clear. Starting with pricing, Noiz AI is generally more affordable, especially if you're producing content at scale. Noiz is 80% more affordable, starting at just $2.99 for the first month. When it comes to text-to-speech, Noiz takes a more automated approach. It adjusts tone and delivery on its own, which makes it faster to use. On the other hand, ElevenLabs gives you more manual control, which can be great if you want to fine-tune every detail. For voice cloning, Noiz is much more flexible. You can create a voice using very short audio samples, while ElevenLabs usually requires longer recordings to get good results. Another big difference is voice design. With Noiz, you can generate voices directly from text or even images, which opens up a lot of creative possibilities. ElevenLabs is more focused on presets, so it's a bit more structured. And finally, the voice library. Noiz feels more flexible and experimental, while ElevenLabs is a bit more limited but also more controlled. So overall, it really depends on what you need: speed and flexibility, or precision and control.